Maybe you're like me when I turned 20. I had always thought the Rubik's Cube was cool, but I thought it was too difficult for me to learn. But one day, I decided I was going to sit down, dedicate myself to learning how to do the Rubik's Cube. And you know what? It's not as difficult as I thought. In this video, I'm going to quickly explain the beginner's method for solving the Rubik's Cube. This video is meant to be a reference to know what the steps are. I will put links in the description box below to some videos that go into more detail. I will pick videos that I feel explain clearly how to do the beginner's method. So let's begin. The first step is to solve a white cross. Second step is to solve the white corners. The third step is to solve the middle row. At this point, it is necessary to memorize some algorithms, but don't worry, you can get by with just memorizing a few, or if you want, you can just take notes and follow the algorithms based off of your notes. The next step is to create a yellow cross. Once you have created the yellow cross, you need to match the cross with the centers. After that, you place the corners in the correct spot. And you're close to being done. Then you just have to solve the final corners, and you're done. You have solved the Rubik's Cube. Good job. As I said, I'm going to put some links in the description box below to some videos that go into more detail explaining the beginner's method. And a word of encouragement, the Rubik's Cube is not as hard as it seems at first, so with hard work and dedication, I know you can do it. Good luck!